Shall we make a nutritious, light, and flavorful meal? We start by adding 350 grams of diced chicken breast into a bowl, like this. Season to taste with salt, paprika, oregano, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix well to coat the chicken with the seasoning. In a pan, add olive oil to taste. Add the chicken pieces, stir, and let them brown on all sides. Once they reach that color, remove and set aside. Now, let's prepare the pan again with some olive oil. Add 3 minced garlic cloves, stirring until golden. Then add a chopped red onion. Also, add a chopped green bell pepper, a chopped red bell pepper, and a chopped yellow bell pepper. Stir. Add a chopped carrot, along with 100 grams of broccoli. Stir while cooking for just a minute. Then add the chicken back in. In a separate container, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 50 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix. Pour it into the pan with the other ingredients and stir. Let it cook for 1 more minute, stirring constantly. And there you go, a nutritious, light, and flavorful meal. This chicken with vegetables is the perfect combination for anyone looking for something nutritious and tasty. Now just serve and enjoy. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tips like this, and share it. See you next time. Until then.